Good morning. We are doing a 2010-2011 break with a randomized Matt Jones rookie jersey card at the end. Randomized will be from teams from last break and this break that don't have a hit. Teams are as follows: J-Bags, 49ers, Bucks. Johnny has the Ravens. I have a bunch of teams: Derek, Steelers, Chargers, Packers, Jags, Bengals, Redskins. Josh, Vikings, Panthers. Browns, Patriots, Giants. E, Saints, Raiders, Rams, Titans, Bears. Anthony, Bills. Tyler, Dolphins, Seahawks, Lions, Eagles. There is 15 teams still left for the Jones card. And we will get started. I'm going to get started with the 2011 box. Where'd my scissors go? 2011 Absolute Blaster. Should have at least one auto or jersey in it. I've had these boxes where they have all two jerseys. I've had all sorts of stuff. So they're really, really nice for the blaster. Good luck to everybody. Come on, double jersey. Empty box. What do we got? I think that's your jersey card. So we'll assume it and go from there. There's a thick card right there. Maybe there's double jerseys. That would be sick. Castle, Flacco, Waylon Edwards, Terrell Owens. Wow. When you go back this far, you get some cool names. Jay Cutler with the Bears. Insert. Schaub, Fitzgerald. There's usually one insert per pack. And we'll do a couple packs. Unless I get to another thick card, which would be sick if that was double jersey. A lot of the time these are hard to figure out, so maybe that one's definitely got a thick card in it though, so. Most of these have rookie items in there. You can, I think, have veteran. Stay to the side. Harvin, Fred Jackson, Hillis, Rice. Lots of base. We got a Ray Lewis. Canton insert. Going to Johnny. The Bears insert. I don't know who has the Bears, but. Those are numbered, so they don't come off the random. We have a Tashard choice. Groundhogs. The Cowboys. I think we got a double jersey, guys. I'm really thinking it's awesome. That's why you get these. And there you go for E. Nice rookie insert, Mark Ingram. Not numbered, so not gonna come off the random, but a nice start right there, Mark Ingram going to E. (2011) is loaded. Apparently not in those packs, other than that. Okay. We will get to the one we opened and then the next one. I'm taking double jersey, guys. Good luck. I'll pull from the back. And your card is Christian Ponder, Vikings rookie jersey. Oh, Josh is probably going to be happy and not happy about that one. Ponder really, a couple years ago, had a nice, I thought, at least start to one of the seasons, and then Vikings went off the rails and he kind of fell apart. It is not numbered rookie jersey Christian Ponder going to Josh. Vikings got to come off the random if they're there. They're not there. Okay, next one. This one feels even thicker. Double jerseys are always a nice. I'm pumped about this one. This is a good one. And your jersey is Torrey Smith going to Johnny and the Ravens. Rookie War Room jersey. Nice, Johnny. Torrey Smith. There you go, John. Torrey Smith. Wide receiver, rookie jersey for the Ravens. Nice cut. Johnny getting a hit. He's got to come out of the random. Okay, not a bad box. Torrey Smith's a nice card. Ponder, I know Josh makes jokes that he's got already too many. 2010 Crown Royal. This is one of my favorite boxes for under $50. The stuff you can get in here is really nice. So fingers crossed. 4 packs. Here's your checklist. 4 packs, 4 hits per box. Empty box. Supposed to be 2 autos, 2 jerseys. Hopefully there's no redemptions. Good luck to everybody. Darren McFadden, uh-oh. Don't be a redemption. Nice! Nice! I don't know if I got him. I really think I might have the Chiefs, but I'm honestly not sure. I know the Chiefs hung out for a while. I think maybe I even got him just because of him. Get that in the case as quick as I can. Do I have the Chiefs or am I going to be disappointed? I got the Chiefs. I know they even hung out for a little while. I didn't take them initially. Numbered out of 499. Eric Berry, rookie auto. That is a keeper for me, folks. Love Eric Berry with cancer. Came back, dominated. Awesome. Awesome, awesome card. Decoy. Taylor Mays. Rookie for the 49ers. Going to J-Wags. Ryan Matthews. Rookie for the Chargers. They cut him yesterday. Insert. Defend, insert. Huge first pack. I'm pumped about that. Chargers going to Derek. J-Wags getting Taylor Mays rookie. Wow. Derek has the Chargers now, right? Yeah. Alright, Matthews. Okay. Decoy. Huge first pack. Love adversary. I am super pumped about it. Next pack. Does not look like a redemption. Looks like a real jersey. We'll pull it down. Ooh. I don't know who it is. Ooh, I do know who it is. Huge card. Awesome card. Who the heck is getting this? Oh, somebody's going to be soaked. Joe Webb, Ozzie Newsome, Matt Forte, D'Angelo Hall, Julius Jones. Out of 50, Golden Tate rookie auto jersey going to Tyler. Sick card, man. Wow, you don't see too many of these back in the 2010 days. That is a nice card. Again, I think the Seahawks were a team that stuck around for a while and nobody snagged. Tyler got number 10 out of 50. Golden Tate rookie auto jersey. It's a sticker auto, but that is sick. Seahawks got to come out the random. Wow, that was nice. This is why I buy Crown, you know? Chiefs shouldn't be in the random. Seahawks come out the random. This is why I buy Crown, man. I mean, we're gonna get probably 2 jerseys, but those were 2 huge hits to start. Oh, okay. Mike Neal, Jeremy Williams, numbered out of 100 for the Chargers. Jeremy Williams. Don't know much about him. Number 9 out of 100. Jeremy Williams, blue for the Chargers. Derek getting a hit. San Diego Chargers. We got a rookie royalty. No, just a royalty. Deshaun Jackson, Chad Henne, and your jersey card is Gerald McCoy for the Buccaneers. Nice card going to J-Wags. Nice rookie jersey. I forget even what McCoy's doing now, but numbered out of 299. Gerald McCoy going to J-Wags. Go with your rookie insert you got. Bucks already off the random. Let's see. I got Eric Berry. Johnny got a Torrey Smith. Tyler got a sick Golden Tate. Josh got a Christian Ponder. He hasn't got a hit, but at least got a Mark Ingram rookie insert. J-Wags with Buccaneers jersey. Derek, no auto jersey, but a nice rookie numbered card. So this has got to go to Anthony. Has just the Bills, so long shot. E has a bunch of teams and no hits, so that would be nice. Everybody, Derek doesn't have a real hit, so we'll see how we go here. Gonna be a jersey. Last cards of the break. Oh, okay. Russell Okung, Browns insert. Brent Selleck, All-Pro insert. Ryan Fitzpatrick. Jason Campbell. And your card is a nice John Randall. Living Legends for the Vikings. Josh with another Vikings card to his collection. This is numbered out of 299. Official NFL Game 1. Living Legends John Randall. I think that's a pretty nice card, Josh. I have 299 John Randall. Let's look up John Randall, but I'm pretty sure he's Pro Football Hall of Famer. Seven-time Pro Bowler, 6-time All-Pro, NFL sacks leader in 1997, NFL All-Decade Team, Vikings Ring of Honor. That a boy, Josh, to conclude an awesome box of crap. I will go through any of these and see if any of them are numbered, like Russell Okung, rookie. I must have missed that for the Seahawks as well. Oh, okay, so Josh, double Viking. I think you like that one a little better than Christian Ponder, but what a boy. Johnny. Toy Smith, bud. Nice rookie jersey. Take a picture of that, send it to you. I was worth you, I think, $2. Tyler. Russell Okung, rookie. Golden Tate. Rookie auto jersey. Sick card, man. I got one card, but I am super stoked about it. Eric Berry, rookie auto. He so far just with Mark Ingram, rookie. Jeremy Williams to 100, and Ryan Williams rookie insert. Ryan Matthews rookie insert. J-Wags. Gerald McCoy, and a Taylor Mays rookie die cut. Okay, that is going to do it other than the Matt Jones random. So we will figure out how to get that out. This is trash. Okay. Random.org. List randomizer. Bengals, Lions, Packers, Jags, Patriots, Saints, Giants, Eagles, Rams, 49ers, Titans. Going into random. This is a terrible way to do it, but it won't let me change my screen, so hopefully you can see it 3 times. Random 1, Lions on top. Random 2, Rams on top. Random 3, 49ers, J-Wags, getting the Matt Jones rookie jersey card. That is going to do it. J-Wags getting the rookie of Matt Jones. Show it again. Matt Jones rookie jersey going to J-Wags. And that is going to do it, guys. Pretty awesome box of Crown, really. Golden Tate, rookie jersey. Eric, rookie auto jersey. Eric Berry, rookie auto. John Randall for the Vikings is sick. And who was the fourth card? Gerald McCoy is a pretty decent rookie jersey. So, two jerseys out of absolute. Can't really complain. That's going to do it, guys. I will post this later. We got a couple weeks till the next one. Thanks a bunch.